Today we are doing percents. Now percents aren't hard because of the math. All percent means is divide by 100. That's easy. Percents are hard because the language in the question is super confusing. You get things like 240 is what percent of 19, and you have to do that fast. The good news is there are 4 magic words, and when you know these 4 magic words, you can turn any percent question into a really simple math equation that's really easy to solve, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I also have a bonus for you. My top 5 tips to raise your GMAT score 50 points in about a week. Now, I developed these when I was teaching at UCLA, so I've seen them work over and over again, and I'm sure they're going to help you too. It's completely free. You can download the PDF right there in the description. Okay, let's tackle those percents. All right, the 4 magic words that transform percent questions are of means multiply, percent means divide by 100, is means equals, and what means X. That means this question just got really easy. All you're going to do is translate each English word into math. 45 means, well, 45. Is means equals. What means X. Percent means divide by 100. Of means multiply. And 1,125 means, well, 1,125. Now all you do is crank through the algebra and solve for X. Now here's a pro tip. Anytime you're dealing with fractions, it's almost always easiest and fastest to multiply the entire equation through by the denominator, because that gets rid of the fraction altogether and your life just got easier. So all we do is keep on moving through the algebra, and what we find is that 45 is 4% of 1,125. Okay, great job. Let's do a word problem version of this. Lucille leaves an 18% tip every time she goes out to dinner. If she leaves a $36 tip, how much did the meal cost? All right, what we're actually being asked is this. 36 is 18% of what number? Because we know $36 is 18% of the entire cost of the meal. All right, now that we have it in that form, all we do is use our 4 magic words to translate it out of English and into math, and we get 36 equals 18 over 100 times X. Now all we do is crank the algebra and solve for X. Remember, the easiest thing to do is multiply the entire equation through by the denominator to get rid of the fraction. Keep on moving, and we find that X equals 200. That was the cost of the meal, $200. Let's do just one more. Well, this should be super easy. Why don't you try this one on your own? Go ahead, hit pause, do the question. When you're done, hit play again, and we'll walk through it. Okay, the answer should be 300%. Let's just translate all the English into math. What percent means X over 100? Of means times. 13 means 13. Is means equals, and 39 means 39. At this point, all we do is do the algebra and solve for X, which is 300. Our answer, 300%. Nice job. Okay, great work. Those 4 magic words change everything. They allow you to take very, very complicated questions and turn them into very simple math equations. Nice job. We'll see you next time.